Hey there, pet parents! Today, I'm sharing a super simple and nutritious recipe that your furry friends will absolutely love: homemade chicken bone broth. This recipe is perfect for both dogs and cats, and it's packed with nutrients that support their joints, digestion, and overall health. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll need about 2 pounds of chicken bones. You can use leftover bones from your own meals or grab some from the store. Next, add the bones into a large crock pot and fill it with water until the bones are completely covered. Now here's the magic ingredient: apple cider vinegar. Add about 2 tablespoons to the pot. This helps to extract all the good stuff from the bones, like collagen and minerals. Put on high for about 4 hours, then on low for about another 6 hours. Once it is on low, I add about 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 teaspoon ginger, and 1 teaspoon turmeric as well, to add in the nutrients that peanut is getting. The longer it simmers, the richer and more nutritious the broth becomes. While it's cooking, make sure to skim off any foam that rises to the top. This keeps the broth clear and tasty. Once it's done, let it cool completely. Then, strain out the bones and any bits of meat. You should be left with a beautiful, golden broth. To serve, pour a bit over your pet's regular food, or serve it alone as a treat. You can store the broth in the fridge for up to 5 days, or freeze it in ice cube trays for easy portioning. And there you have it, homemade chicken bone broth that's both delicious and healthy for your pets. Give it a try, and let me know how your furry friends like it in the comments below. Enjoy! Safety note: always consult your veterinarian before introducing new foods to your pet's diet.